Here's a special one, just in it, unique, especially in classics. And this one's especially for the Impala fans. Check this out. 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS, two-door hardtop. Yes, first of all, real deal SS car. Best of all, underneath the hood, numbers matching, 409 with the dual four-barrel setup and 4-speed manual transmission. And yes, this one looks as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos. So let's go ahead and take a peek up front. Look at the chrome in the front bumper, grille, headlight bezels. Now we will start this up, take a peek underneath the hood, and Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, all the still pictures of this car can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. One of my favorite wheel covers, or hubcaps, I guess, if you will, of all time, right there. That Impala SS wheel cover, and still riding on a good-looking Firestone wide oval bias ply tire, giving it that authentic look. Those are date coded 2021. A lot of recent service done to this from 2021 to 2022, and then again some in 2025. We're going to get into that in just a little bit. This car, get in, turn the key, go have some fun. Let's look down this passenger side. You can see panels nice and straight. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If we catch anything walking around here, we'll take a peek. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Paint coat on this car, 922 Ember Red. Interior trim is 875. That is real SS red bucket seat interior. There's the center console with that 4-speed. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up. Let's hear it around again. Take a peek underneath the hood. Give you a good look from the rear to the front, down that long rear quarter panel, nice and straight. Again, paint has a nice shine to it, recently polished. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Also looking good, that iconic 63 Impala rear end. Definitely one of the more popular years, no doubt about that. All right. Now for some of that recent service work, like I said, kind of the 21 to 22 time frame. New starter, transmission, a rear seal, drive shaft carrier bearing, and U-joints, rear brakes and wheel cylinders. There's also a front disc brake conversion done at that time. The 4 tires were put on at that time, master cylinder and brake lines, radiator and hoses, and then just recently in 2025, 4 new shocks and a battery. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. As we take a look down this driver's side again, you can see that paint almost looks like it's wet. Yes, it does show very nice in person. If you like Impalas, maybe you like muscle cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. That gives you a good idea what that driver's side looks like. Now, something else you can do to help us out, if you know somebody that likes Impalas, maybe somebody that's in the market for one, go ahead and share this with them. We thank all of our subscribers out there, well over 100,000 now on YouTube. Appreciate it. Hope you like the videos and like seeing these old cars. Seatbelt's intact up front. If you notice that or not. Got them kind of stashed in, so I'm not going to sit on them. Seating surfaces, nice shape, red vinyl. So this car looking very much like it will look back in 1963, rolling off the Chevy dealer's showroom floor. All right, let's check out that tack. Look at that. And it is working, as you can see. Aftermarket gauge cluster underneath. Say oil pressure coming up, voltmeter, and that was a cold start, so I want to expect temp gauge to be up. Aftermarket stereo does work. It appears to only be feeding the speaker on the dash, so it's not real loud. I've had the wipers working, also had the blower fan work. Looks like fuel gauge came up. See, the tack is working. We're going to let this warm up a little bit, but I want you to listen to it. Again, numbers matching, 409, dual 4-barrel setup, and listen. Wow, thing sounds good. All right, let me slip up to the front. We're going to get this hood open. I want to take a peek underneath the hood. Let you see the engine bay. And then you'll get to go for a virtual ride if you stick around to the very end. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And how about that engine bay? There it is. The 409, 425 horse. Dual carb setup. That is a QB suffix code on the numbers matching block. You'll see it in the still pictures. Let me stand right down about right there. There is a battery disconnect for when the car is in storage or in between drives. I mentioned new battery in 2025. There it is. I also mentioned that newer master cylinder brake lines, front disc brake conversion. This car is ready to go. All those pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1963 Chevrolet Impala 409, two 4-barrel carbs, and a 4-speed on the floor right here. An iconic car. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Sounding exhaust and plenty of acceleration. Our tachometer's working, speedometer's working. The fuel gauge shows 3/4 of a tank. There is a clock over here. The oil pressure shows 60. The volts are charging about 14 volts. And the water temperature 180. That's all looking ideal. Not to mention the wipers work, the blower motor works, throwing some heat today. And the radio works. Playing FM. I have not tested cassette. Beautiful interior. Just as beautiful as the exterior. Horn works. Bucket seats up front. That SS emblem on the center console on the floor. Brakes smoothly. Corners the way you would expect. semi-luxuriously, the way a 1963 does. And there's those 4 barrels opening up for a great sound on the highway. Check out all the pictures of this 63 Impala SS 409 at uniqueclassiccars.com.